Welcome back, everyone. This video is going to discuss the next two vocabulary words for this unit and how they apply to the unit as a whole. We will also be discussing a new investigative question to help guide your understanding of the final essential question, which you'll need to answer at the end of the unit for 10 points. All right, so with that said, communication. Communication is the exchanging of information or ideas. As you remember from the last lesson, in order to collaborate and use teamwork, you have to work effectively. So in order to work effectively, you must be able to communicate and share those ideas. Whether it's verbal, whether it's written or drawn, you need to be able to communicate those information or ideas before the team actually agrees on something to produce that item. Moving on to the next slide. Move my camera here. So the next word is theme. A theme is a recurring idea. So when you're doing a project with multiple people, you could create a theme of beliefs or the environment, something that's cultural or man-made. There's a whole list over here. Maybe the theme, everything in the image is abstract. So the first thing when completing a collaborative artwork would be to agree on what the theme is going to be, what the overall image is going to be, and then to build that from the ground up to achieve that overall goal, that final image that your team has agreed to complete. So if you were doing this in class, I would have you choose an art theme from below to guide the project you're going to create. Our unit is obviously a little different, where the artwork has been selected for you and you've been given different sections to complete independently. And then at the end, we're going to compile everything together to see what the theme is, what the image is that I selected for you. But again, a theme is a recurring idea, something that happens over and over again throughout the artwork. All right, and then lastly, after I move my camera here, your investigative question for this lesson is, why is it important to communicate clearly with another artist when collaborating on a work of art? I basically already discussed this in the first slide about communicating clearly, and which allows you to work effectively with others, so they know what you're thinking, you know what they're thinking, and then you can even just meet in the middle. Remember, it's not a matter of, hey, this is what I want and we're going to do it. You share your ideas, you allow everyone in the team to share their ideas, and then you usually meet in the middle. You have some sort of compromise where then you all agree on the same idea. Maybe everyone does agree on your idea, or you'll agree with someone else's, but it's important not to dictate, not to demand that it's, kind of your way or the highway. You want to work together. Remember, show that teamwork to work effectively. All right, so make sure you post all 3 of your answers in Schoology under your entrance ticket. I look forward to reading your answers and hopefully giving you all 3 points. And after you've completed that entrance ticket, please make sure you watch the instructional video, which will show you how to build on your drawn square from the last lesson and what to do next. All right, guys, I will see you all shortly, and good luck on the entrance ticket. Bye, guys.